Hello, welcome to this BMC Helix Remedy Force video tutorial on how to increase the display limit in self-service lookup fields. Let's begin. In this video, I will demonstrate how we can increase the number of records displayed in a lookup field from 50 to 200. This can be accomplished by creating a Remedy Force custom setting in our Salesforce org. Now I will show you in this example a lookup field I've added to the Submit a Ticket form in which the user can select the physical location. This lookup field refers to a Salesforce object named physical location that contains over 100 records. However, by default, if you click on the field and try to select any of these records, you will see that it only shows you a limited number, in this case 50 records. Next, I will show you how to add a custom setting so we can increase the search up to 200 records. For that, I'll go to Setup, I will type Custom Settings on Quick Find, go to Remedy Force Settings, and click on the Manage button, and click on the New button to create a new setting. Type the name of the setting, SF1 SSMIN records to show. Custom setting names are case sensitive, so make sure you get the name exactly right with all the upper and lower cases as they should. Now for the value, type 200 and then save. All right, now let's go back to self-service to test these changes. Okay, again, I'm going to submit a ticket and click on the physical location lookup field. And if I keep scrolling down, now, as you can see, I can show all of the records for this physical location field. This concludes our BMC Helix Remedy Force video tutorial on how to increase the display limit in self-service lookup fields. Thanks for watching.